Hi beauties, it's Dani, Sigma Beauty's global makeup artist. I'm so excited to share with you all that we are launching a false lash collection. We have 9 different styles to pair with any sort of eye look. Today I created a classic winged eye using the style Fantasy. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. So one of my favorite looks to pair a false lash with is a classic winged eyeliner. So I'm going to show you how I create one using my Wicked Gel and the E65 angled brush. So I'm going to apply a little bit onto my brush and then almost just wipe the sides off to get it to as fine of a point as I possibly can. And I'm going to start out with this eye. I'll start on the outer corner and I'm going to get that as close as I can to my lash line. Of course, you can wear false lashes, without anything on your eyes at all, just because it has a little bit of a black band, so it almost kind of makes it seem like you're wearing eyeliner. But having eyeliner underneath, whether you're using the gel or a liquid or a pencil, just helps the lash even adhere better with the glue itself, but also it can camouflage the band as well. So I like using a little bit of eyeliner to help that. So I'm slowly just dragging that in to my inner corner. And with the E65, you can almost just kind of stamp it on. It makes it really easy to create a line. And now that I have my line across my eye, then I'm going to create the wing. I'm going to wipe off any excess. I don't want any product on there right now. Okay, so then when creating my wing, I'm going to take my brush with the longer point towards my eye and gently just drag that outward, kind of up to the tail of my brow. And once I have that line, then I'm going to connect it to the base. And the lashes I'm pairing with this look today are in the style called Fantasy, which the ends get a little bit longer, so it really goes well with a winged look and helps just elongate your eyes. Even when I look straight on, you can definitely tell already the different kind of eye shape that liner created, which I love. Again, starting from the outer corner and working my way in, getting as close to the lash line as possible, dragging it down. I love the Wicked Gel eyeliner because it's so easy to work with and you have some time to kind of maneuver it around before it sets in place, and once it sets in place, it's not going to move. It's also easier if you can kind of look down into your mirror. That helps you really get as close as you can to the lash line. Liner is done. So then we can move on to the lashes. The lash style I'm going to use is called Fantasy, one of my favorites. So it really pairs well with a nice winged eye, which is personally one of my favorite looks. So taking my little applicator, I'm going to gently pull the lashes off, starting on the inner corner. And if you have any excess glue from them being attached to the package itself, just gently remove those. So next step, I'm just going to put the lashes in the applicator and just kind of set it on top of my lashes so I can see if I need to trim them at all. And actually these fit perfectly on my eyes, so I do not need to trim them. So before I apply the glue, I'm just going to apply a very light coat of mascara. This is the Sinuosity Lash. I like to put on a little bit of a coat beforehand, just because I feel like it really helps the lashes kind of have something to sit on, and ends up just blending a lot better once they're on. So I'm gonna put on just a very, very light coat. Some of our lash styles, you know, we have some that are more tapered, so they're elongated towards the end of the lashes. Some we have that are a little bit more of a rounded shape, so they're longer in the middle, such as like our Hopeless Romantic lash style. And when you're trimming one that has that's very symmetrical in shape, such as a round shape, you want to trim evenly on the front of the lash and the end of the lash, so you're not compromising the style. You want to keep that rounded shape. As far as a lash style like Fantasy, you can easily just trim off the end and you'll still have that elongated lash style that you're looking for. So I'm ready to apply my glue, but before I do that, I'm just going to take the lash and just kind of move it like this a little bit, just to loosen up the band, just to make it easier to align with my eye. And I'm going to put it on the applicator. The applicator makes it so nice and easy to not only hold the lash, but also apply it. So taking my lash glue, I'm just going to apply that straight onto the band. I like to add a little bit more just right onto each corner so it really adheres well to the eye. And then we're going to let it sit for about 30 seconds before we apply, waiting for the glue to get a little bit tacky. This is where a lot of people have troubles with applying the lashes. They don't wait for the glue to get tacky and they'll apply it right away and they notice that it's not sticking to their eyeball. So that is why you want to wait at least 30 seconds for the glue to become tacky. I promise you it will make your lash application so much easier. All right, so my glue is tacky, so I'm just going to apply that right on my eye, gently setting it towards the center, just like that, and then anchoring down each end. So I like to start off with the outer corner first, and then I'll go in and attach the inner corner. And what's great about these lashes is you can wear them for up to 25 times, which is amazing. So once they're on, then taking the applicator, you can go in and kind of just squeeze your natural lash to the lash itself. So then it blends seamlessly. And then on the other end of the applicator, there's actually a little comb. So you can use that to just gently comb through the lashes. If you have any clumps in there, just make it nice and seamless. Just like that. All right, so to finish off the look, I'm adding a little bit of Sinuosity Lash to my lower lashes, a very light coat. All right, beauties, this is my final look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you check out our lash collection, now available on sigmabeauty.com. And be sure to hashtag sigmabeauty so we can see all of your beautiful looks you create. See you guys next time. Bye.